Nag-etoy! Punta kayo dito, kunin nyo dito. Nalaglag. Papatubos ko eh. Papatubos ko eh.
Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Imagination Tech. My name is Jeff. So today we're here in La Union in Urbistondo, and we had my wife's my brothers-in-law in Baguio for a couple of days the past weeks, and we were supposed to go home back to Bicol today, but we decided to go to the beach. So we went back, we went down from the mountains, and right now we're here at La Union, and maybe we'll just pick some beers and fly. So So we were able to recover my drone. I crashed somewhere at a construction site. I lost feed. I lost signal from my, from the Crossfire for some reason. I wasn't even flying really that far. The guys at the construction site were able to get my drone. I gave them some money for merienda, but it's fine. At least I didn't lose anything. It doesn't seem like I damaged anything either. We were planning to go surf today, but as you can see, the waves just aren't picking up today, so we might just go for a swim today and then head back to Baguio because okay, so hold up. When I got back home and I was checking on the footage on the GoPro, what I found was that the GoPro was recording all that time at the construction site where the construction workers were looking at the drone and talking about the drone and talking about how they were going to get money from me for giving back the drone, or for recovering the drone that crashed on their construction site. So anyway, I'll just let you watch this.
Drone! Hello! Nag-etoy! Punta kayo dito, kunin nyo dito. Nalaglag. Wala pa niyo likod. Likod? Oy. Bakit diyak? Magkwada mo na. Kaabtam kamera pala ako. Ito ko ngar comment lang. Nagkapo ka ay, di ta ate nagkapo na ka. Ito na, adan mo na. Pag ko na ko. Diretso tayo. Pas jay. Oy, naman likod. Kinama mo ang arad. Katunag. Kinama mo, sige kinama mo tatay. So pag may tape lagay yung play mo. So pangupin nito. Siya ka mo katayab. Awan nang makatato. Tumayabak ngar ko ma. Tani nakakangat. Tak. Hindi lagi tak partak mabadya. Najag rin ba po pa. Pero ngar ipatubos ko. Sumala di kinama mo tatay ah. Lagi kameranan. Ipapatubos ko batis. Mahal to. Oh, mahal yan. Balik na pupunta dito yung may-ari. Ito. Gumagana pa ba camera? Oo, gumagana. Yan, no? Okay, kung gumagana, nakikita mo yung mukha nyo dyan. Hindi. Yung mukha mo, makikita. Ikaw, ito. Pupunta sa cellphone niya. Makikita rin nila yan. Itubos mo tayo. 1,000. Hindi na naabot ng... Kahit malayo yan, kaya. Kahit malayo. Yung iba may hangganan. Hindi naman nila kaya palipan yung malay kung di abot yung limit. What's that, buddy? Nahulog dito? Nakahon to. Nakahon. Tanggal. Kaya nga
So yeah, they were planning to ask me for a lot more money, but I had just I was ready, and when I went there, I went straight ahead and offered them some money. I gave them 500 pesos, which is like $10, which it's not really a lot, and but it'll go a long way for those guys. And I'm really happy because I was able to recover my drone, which costs a lot more than $10, more than 500 pesos. So yeah, I have no problems with that. And aside from that, when we were at the beach, apparently there was a guy who was going to propose to his girlfriend. They were with a group of friends, and they asked us if they could, if we could take some hidden videos, hidden shots of the proposal. So we gladly obliged. Unfortunately, the GoPro decided not to take videos at the exact proposal, but yeah, I was still able to get some footage on the events leading up to the proposal. So I am going to leave you with that footage and with that proposal. So anyway, as always, keep billing and keep flying, and I'll see you next time.